Barbecue roasts are such a huge part of the outdoor cooking culture in Australia and New Zealand. And we still believe there is no better way to cook a leg of lamb, roast a beautiful chicken, or crackle an amazing pork roast than on your Weber barbecue. Your pulse will roast with the most amazing flavour, and you'll get fantastic results that your friends and family will absolutely rave about. Before you start cooking, there are a few important steps that you need to take. Firstly, like all Weber barbecues, it's important to preheat your barbecue. Preheating is simple. All you need to do to start your barbecue is connect the front control panel if it isn't already, connect to a power point, and press the on-off button. When preheating for roasting, place a trivet on your pulse and turn your control knobs to high. Preheat with the lid closed for 15 to 20 minutes or until the barbecue reaches 260 degrees Celsius. Today we are cooking a roast leg of lamb, and this one's around 2.5 kilos. I have an easy yet delicious way to prepare your lamb to share with you. Firstly, using a sharp knife, make around 10 to 12 incisions in the lamb. Place a small sliver of garlic and a small amount of rosemary into each one. Squeeze the juice of a lemon all over, and then generously season with salt and pepper. Our pulse is preheated, so it's time to turn the control knobs to medium. Remember that the barbecue's temperature will fluctuate slightly while cooking, so it's important to resist adjusting the control knobs while cooking. To guarantee that our lamb is going to be perfectly cooked, we are going to use the igrow thermometer that is built into the pulse. To do this, connect the igrow probe to the front control panel of your pulse. Place your igrow probe into the centre of your leg of lamb, keeping the probe's tip away from the bone to avoid an incorrect reading. Place the lamb on the trivet. Close the lid, and then if you wish, select your desired finishing temperature through your igrow app. Roast your leg of lamb for approximately 90 minutes or until your lamb has reached your preferred internal temperature. Remove the lamb from the barbecue and allow to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. How good does that look? Perfectly cooked. Remember, for the full recipe or for more information, please see your barbecue handbook or visit our website.